Hey guys, what's going on? It's another update to Road to Redemption. As you can see, I have her back on the quick jacks. I cleaned most of the intercooler piping, but what I did want to show you is one of the hardest parts is this pipe up here. So there's a pipe right here. Let's see if I can get under there and show you guys. This might be. There it is. That pipe is a pain in the ass to work on. I needed to get that pipe out because I wanted to clean it, but I'm going to clean it on the inside with some rags and some heavy duty cleaner. But I can show you what I did though. As you can see, there's the oil pump. I repositioned the line here all the way down. I cleaned out the hose, which is dangling there somewhere. Hose dangling. And I pretty much got the whole cold side done. With the cold side being done, I just need to reassemble it. I can have, I have my blowout valves, wastegates I need to clean. Excuse me, a little tired today. The whole cold side will be done. For the exhaust, I actually have a couple of ideas. My buddy owns a car wash, and he's going to help me clean it out. Another technique which would be helpful to people is you could actually take this and put it on the grill, warm it up to around 300 to 400 degrees, and then hopefully if there's any oil in there, you can pour it out. The problem with that is, obviously your grill's gonna smoke out and smell like oil. There are other options, but yeah, another day of progress, which is always good. Just to give you guys a heads up, I know I got 5 subscribers. Got a lot of personal stuff coming up, so I don't know how much time I'm going to have on the car. I did get an update from Precision on the turbo. The turbo itself is I am number 49 out of like 100, I guess. So minimum 2 weeks is what he said. So that gives me more than enough time to, get the cold side clean and get the exhaust. I mean, realistically, the exhaust will probably take me 2 hours. I do need to get some downstreams. I'm going to actually order the downstream O-tubes tonight, try to get some gaskets, some RTV. And then what I'll end up doing is when I do have free time again, either tonight, or either tomorrow or next week, I'm going to take care of the cold side. So I'll be done with the cold side. And then I'll move over to the exhaust side. Once that's clean and done, I'll pretty much just be waiting for the turbo. I checked the intercooler, there's literally no oil in it. A little piece of oil, or a little puddle right here. Nothing else in the intercooler, so I'm good on that entire side. Like I said, I attribute that to, a quick shutdown, not trying to be Superman and say, oh, there's no problem, and smoke up the neighborhood. I charged the battery today. I did get water in because I think one of the windows was open. So as you can see, I did take, I don't know if you guys ever saw these carpets. Those are pretty cool. These are the premium carpets. Usually they have, as you can see, they have the nice cut marks and very high quality. I paid $300 for them. Need to be steam cleaned. I think what I'm going to end up doing is throw them in the washing machine because it's that good quality. They can wash out. Give you a little look at the inside. You can't really see anything. Pretty stupid there. I should have had the light poked on. Here, let me put the light off. No jokes about my white legs. You see them? As you can see here, these are those, I think it's high ply or something. They have the nice cuts in them. You can see, look at the car. It's a cool picture of the gauges. So I gotta get a sensor for my interview. I gotta find out which one it is. Go Dolphins. Till next time, guys. Take it easy.